make I crack my throat before I talk this one. So some shameless Ikwerre elders, people with gray hair, where they call themselves say that the elder statesmen of the Ikwerre nation. They come national television, broadcast them, give the entire world. They deceive themselves and not us. Say they no be Igbos. Now their own son of the soil don't win the presidency of the sociocultural Indigo or Hanese Indigo group. None of them ever come out and say we distance ourselves. Instead, they tell us congratulations. They don't do that kind of thing. They don't use us. And they apologize, give my Igbo brothers now. They don't use us. What the hell? Now that it has been officially recognized that Ikwerre is Igbo, all those human beings where they jump from one TikTok live to another TikTok live, YouTube live to YouTube live, Instagram live to Instagram live, Facebook live to Facebook live, where they deceive them, they lie, they do trend, say they be from Ikwerre, where they pretend, they imposters all over the place. Them Rudolph the Ikwerrean, they even title themselves Ikwerrean. They know him or be what be name, and all of them, and together with my Edo brothers, so they back them up. All of them, they don't turn out to campaign. How shameful are you people now? Man, not see you safe. Shameless people. Shameless people. But I not see you safe. You know, say when God want disgrace you, now open disgrace where you no go fit, even hide you the fire you go put your face. Shameless people. And this is me telling my Igbo brothers right now. Stretch your hand, a hand of friendship, to anyone you think is part of you that is across the Niger. All those in an ethnic group where they for North Central, the ones in Benue and Kogi, stretch your hand of friendship to them, bro. Stretch your hand. Unite. Do your thing. You know, build your nationhood. Nobody they stop now. Now your lawful duty. You get. Carry it on. Don't let anybody stop you. And this is me, I apologize because I fell for whatever thing that those guys, probably they were paid, probably they are not even Ikwerre people. You understand? So congratulations to everyone. Congratulations to the Igbo race. One love.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that young man said. Well, thank you to him for saying the truth the way it is. The current President General of Ohanese Igbo now is an Ikwerre man. His name is Senator John Azota Mbata. Congratulations to your win, sir, as the president of Ohanese Igbo. Remain blessed, sir. So, all these Bini people and some of these pests from Ikwerre that come online saying that Ikwerre people are not Igbo, doing TikTok lives, barking like dogs. What is now happening? As that Ona brother come be the president of Ohanese Igbo, waiting on a fidu, all your backing ends online. After these people always that, all this your ranting, backing online, make we see the Ikwerre person go be your Ohanese Igbo. If you no go bust her, if you no go arrest her, if you no go do this one, fear go even allow you touch Azota Mbata or do anyhow. Now again they will flog you. Your backing ends online. We see some of all these ibinu people, they will just host TikTok live. They talk rubbish like you are not from Ikwerre. You are not from any part of Igbo land. Now Igbo matter you wanna go take sit down, they talk. You will see some Benin people, some of them will start barking like Pitbull, some of them will start barking like Chihuahua, some will start barking like Rottweiler, some will start barking like Okala. Different species of dogs will start to bark. And after all your barking, that barking ends online. All you these Benin people and some of these Ikwerre people barking, saying all sort of rubbish online, when I just they float. Why you be say that Azota Mbata not be from Urhobo? Make we talk so okay, Urhobo person come be the next president of Ohanese Igbo. At least that one go, that one the people they talk say yes, Igbo people are forcing Igbo identity on non-Igbo speaking people will go say yes, say we the overdo. If they say that our president general are from Calabar, say na Calabar speaking person, that one you go they allow people they talk say yes, Igbos are forcing Igbo identity, they are forcing Igbo-ness on Calabar speaking people. But this one be say Ikwerre people when they speak the entire Igbo race here, Benin people when they hear Ikwerre. When they hear Ikwerre, if Ikwerre man when they speak Igbo, when we say in dialect na Igbo, if they talk say not be Igbo, so many of these useless Benin people when not get future, where people be say Chuku cost them, they will come online they back. Hey, Igbo stop forcing Igbo identity on Ikwerre people. Ikwerre is Ikwerre, Igbo is Igbo. But Eshan is not Eshan, Bini is not Bini. You people are busy forcing Eshan people to identify as Bini. Forgetting that Eshan people not even get connection with Bini. They are not even Bini people. They are there before you Yoruba people from Ilefe, now called Bini, came and invaded that land. And now we Igbos are uniting. Instead of making come out on a smelly mouth and they choke on our mouth, they will be different species of dog, they bark. You people planned the protest in Ikwerre land. You paid all those small children, giving them a poster. Ikwerre is Ikwerre. We are not Igbo. We are Obaka Ikwerre. We are Ikwerre. When I pay them finish to come, they talk rubbish. All those small children, waiting they know. Small children will not get sense. And you think that small protest where una do go stop Ikwerre people Igbo identity? You people are just wasting your time. Now what I done, I say many of you people fighting Igbo unification, many of people don't have sense. All of you said fighting Igbo unification, you don't have sense. All those protests cannot stop Igbo unity. Those protests cannot stop Ikwerre people from identifying as Igbo. This young man you see here, at a point in time, he was against Igbo unification. Because those Benin people and Ikwerre people made him to believe and understand that Ikwerre people are different from the Igbo people. They made him understand that Ikwerre people are not Igbos. And now when you don't understand, make research, know say Ikwerre people are Igbo people, say na politics they just they play. Now make can do this video so. And if you watch the video where they apologize to the Igbo race, say make we no verse, say they deceive them. All this thing where they see people they come online, they talk Ikwerre are not Igbo, blah blah blah. It's just campaign and sponsorship. Like all these Ibinu people now, they work out for Ikwerre land. They tell them, are you Igbo? They will say, no, we are not Igbo, we are from Bini. Even in Bini history, they are not right for anywhere say Ikwerre people are Bini people. Akalaka and Ochichi, Bini history not document and say, na Bini man born the two. Bini should not document and say, na any of Bini born the two. They are just warriors. Just like some other tribes are warriors in the Bini military that time. So many of them know that Akalaka and Ochichi are Igbos. It's just that politics. But we must never allow propaganda and politics to divide us. Igbo unity is bigger than politics. Igbo unity is bigger than propaganda. Igbo unity is bigger than lies. See, nothing will divide Igbos. We are fully ready to fight against propaganda and lies. And if you listen to the young man very well, he said that we Igbo should do everything possible and make sure we unite. It's our right to unify with our brothers. He said that we should unite with our Igbo brothers in North Central. We should unite with our Igbo brothers in Middle Belt. Our Igbo brothers in the Middle Belt are located in Kogi State and Benue State. If you go Benue State, Igbo communities plenty for there. If you go Kogi State, Igbo communities plenty for there. They are Igbos, and it's our right and duty to make our brothers realize that we are one people. Make them not say our mind in that place where they did. Igbos are located in 13 states in Nigeria. Indigenous in those states. So, Bini people and all these small, all these some Ikwerre people where they mumu, not going to stop our unity. Your backing did not even stop Ikwerre man from being the president of Ohaneze Igbo. It just say you people will see your time. You don't have sense. Shameless people. Whoa, na not get shame. Thank you, my people. You share well.